Somewhere inside one of the most advanced manufacturing complexes on Earth, a dull gray rock is about to become one of the most precise products on any car on the road today. This is the world's largest aluminum wheel factory, producing tens of thousands of finished wheels every single day, each one engineered to handle extreme heat, constant stress, and the full weight of a moving vehicle, while remaining light enough to improve performance. To understand how raw metal becomes a flawless, mirror-polished wheel, we have to follow the entire journey, from the mine to the moment it rolls off the line. The story begins deep inside open-pit bauxite mines, where massive excavators dig into reddish-brown earth rich in aluminum ore. Bauxite is not aluminum itself, but the raw mineral from which aluminum is extracted through an intensive refining process. Trucks the size of small buildings haul tons of ore out of the pit and onto rail lines, beginning a journey toward refining facilities where it will be transformed into the lightweight, silvery metal that defines modern automotive manufacturing. At the refinery, bauxite is chemically processed into a fine white powder called alumina, then sent to a smelting facility where electrolysis breaks its chemical bonds to produce pure liquid aluminum. The molten metal is poured into molds, cooling into solid ingots, then shipped directly to the wheel factory. Inside the receiving yard, forklifts unload massive aluminum ingots, stacked neatly into towering rows inside a climate-controlled warehouse. Quality technicians extract samples for laboratory testing, verifying the metal's exact alloy composition, since aluminum wheels are made from a carefully engineered blend combined with silicon and magnesium for the ideal balance of strength and weight. Only ingots that pass strict standards move forward into the melting department. The melting department is dominated by massive furnaces, each capable of holding tons of molten aluminum at temperatures exceeding 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Ingots are fed into the furnace chamber, where intense heat liquefies the metal into a glowing molten pool, monitored constantly since a small temperature deviation can affect the wheel's final strength. Once molten, the aluminum flows through a filtration system that removes impurities and gas bubbles before casting. From the furnace, molten aluminum travels through insulated channels directly to the casting department, the true heart of wheel production. Here, the factory uses low-pressure die casting, one of the most reliable methods for producing structurally sound wheels. Molten metal is forced upward into a precision steel mold under controlled pressure, filling every detail of the design, from spokes to rim to center hub. This method reduces trapped air pockets, resulting in a denser, stronger final product. Within minutes, the aluminum cools and solidifies, taking on the exact shape of a wheel for the first time, while dozens of identical casting machines work in synchronized rows to keep pace with the factory's daily output. Once the mold opens, a robotic arm extracts the newly formed wheel, still glowing with retained heat, and places it onto a cooling conveyor. At this stage, the wheel is rough, with excess material called flash still attached around its edges. It travels next to a trimming station, where automated cutting equipment removes this excess with remarkable precision, revealing the wheel's true form for the first time. Quality control begins immediately. Each wheel passes through an X-ray inspection chamber, where imaging technology examines the internal structure for porosity, tiny trapped air pockets that could weaken the metal under stress. Wheels are also heat-treated, heated, and then rapidly cooled in large furnaces, altering the internal metallic structure to increase strength and durability, transforming a freshly cast wheel into a component built for years of real-world driving stress. Next, the wheel enters the machining department, where computer numerically controlled machines take over. These multi-axis machines grip each wheel with extreme precision, rotating it at high speed while diamond-tipped cutting tools shave away microscopic layers of aluminum, achieving exact tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. The CNC machine carves the bolt holes, refines the rim's edges, and on premium designs produces the signature machined finish, where shining cut aluminum contrasts against a painted background. From machining, wheels move into the finishing department, where surface treatment defines their final appearance. Some receive a smooth painted finish, with spray robots applying layers of primer, color, and clear coat, each cured in a heated drying tunnel. Others undergo polishing, where rotating buffing wheels bring the raw aluminum to a mirror-like shine, while premium models may receive chrome plating, submerged in chemical baths that deposit ultra-thin layers of nickel and chromium for a deep reflective finish. Before approval, every wheel passes one final stage of testing. Wheels are mounted onto fatigue, testing machines that simulate years of driving in a matter of hours, applying repeated rotational force to verify structural integrity. Others are randomly selected for destructive impact testing, where a heavy weight is dropped from a precise height to confirm the wheel can withstand sudden road impacts. Only wheels that pass every test are cleared for packaging. Approved wheels travel into the packaging department, where robotic arms wrap each one in protective foam and film. Barcode labels record the wheel's specifications and quality results, creating a complete digital history traceable back to the original ingot. From there, wheels move into the automated warehouse, where towering steel racks store thousands of units by size, design, and finish, with automated guided vehicles retrieving specific models the moment an order is confirmed. Finally, distribution begins. Logistics teams coordinate shipments to automakers, distributors, and retailers across the globe, loading wheels onto trucks and into shipping containers bound for ports and assembly plants worldwide. Dock workers verify each shipment against digital manifests before any container is sealed. Some wheels travel directly to automotive plants, destined to be mounted onto brand new vehicles, while others reach retail and aftermarket distributors, eventually finding their way onto the wheels of everyday drivers around the world. From a rugged chunk of bauxite ore pulled from the earth, through smelting, casting, machining, finishing, and rigorous testing, every aluminum wheel produced inside this factory represents an extraordinary transformation. What begins as raw mineral rock ends as a precision-engineered component, light enough to improve performance, strong enough to carry the full weight of modern driving, and polished to a finish that completes the look of any vehicle it is mounted on. It is a process repeated tens of thousands of times every single day, hidden behind factory walls, turning raw earth into one of the most essential components on the modern automobile.